Okay, today we're here with Alessandro from MKM Knives in Italy.
Yeah.
Alessandro, what makes your interest in knives?
Because knives are lives, especially in Maniago, because we have more than 600 years traditionally in knives, so everything's speaking about knives in Maniago, so this is why.
What's your favorite knife?
I think that's my favorite knife is for sure a folding knife, and I'm really falling in love with our detonario, that is this one, the
Wow.
total black detonario,
Suave.
aluminum handle, M390 steel. This is my favorite. I carry one.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. And where can they reach you on social media?
We can follow us on Maniago Knife Makers on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.
Very good. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. My really pleasure.
Yeah.
Ciao, ciao.
Guys, check this out. Pretty cool. Start over here. Very nice. They got all sorts of stuff. Look at this. Look how little these are. Yeah, look at this. Pretty cool. Yeah, these are nice. Very nice. Very nice. Let's keep going. Show you what else they got here. She's talking. All right. Show you this. Got all this. Wow, very nice. Check it out.
Yes, totally made in Italy, totally made in Maniago. We have more
Very
than
nice.
600 years of tradition.
Wow.
Yeah. Maniago is probably the most famous city in the world, worldwide, speaking about knife production or blades. And we represent the consortium because MKM is the own brand of the consortium called Maniago.